Hello everyone, welcome back to class 7 mathematics. Today's topic is chapter 13 exponents and powers. Today we are going to discuss about how to express the large number in standard form and related exercise 13.3. Expressing large numbers in the standard form. The definition is any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 and 10, including 1 multiplied by a power of 10. Such a form of number is called its standard form. For example, 5985 can be written as a decimal number as 5.985 multiplied by 1000. And children, you know that 1000 we can express it as exponential form as 10 cube. So 5985 equal to 5.985 into 10 raised to 3, which is the standard form of 5985. 5.985 into 10 raised to 3 is same as 5985. Now we can see how to express 59 in the standard form. So 5.59 can be written as 5.9 multiplied by 10. The power of 10 is 1. So we can write in the exponential form of this or in the standard form of 59 as 5.9 into 10 raised to 1. Similarly, 590 can be written as 5.9 multiplied by 100. 100 can be written in the exponential form as 10 raised to 2. So the standard form of 590 is 5.9 into 10 raised to 2. Now 5900. 5900 can be written as a decimal number as 5.9 multiplied by 1000. And children, you know 1000 means the exponential form is 10 cube. So the standard form of 5900 is 5.9 into 10 raised to 3. Next is 59,000. 59,000 can be expressed as a decimal form as 5.9 multiplied by 10,000. 10,000 means 10 raised to 4. So the standard form of 59,000 is 5.9 into 10 raised to 4. Or children, to write the standard form, the simple and shortest way is after the first digit you can put the decimal number. Then you count the number of digit after the decimal point. Here in the first one only one digit after the decimal. So the standard form is 5.9 into 10 raised to 1. And in the last one after the first digit we put the decimal, we got, and you can write all non-zero numbers. Here only one non-zero number 9 is there after putting the decimal point. So we get 5.9 into. Then after putting decimal point, count the number of digit to the right side. Here 4 digits are there. So the standard form is 5.9 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. Now we can move to try these questions of page number 261. Expand by expressing powers of 10 in the exponential form. Our first question is 172. So 1 is in the 100th place. So we can write 1 into 100. So the exponential form is 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 7 into 10 raised to 1 plus 2 into 10 raised to 0. Second question is 5643. The easy method is write the first number multiplied by 10 raised to. Count the number of digit after the first digit 5. We have 3 digit on the right side of 5. So we can write 10 raised to 3 plus 6 into. After 6, 2 digits are there. So we can write 6 multiplied by 10 square. In the same way, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 1 plus 3 multiplied by. After 3, there is no digit. So we can write 10 raised to 0. Actually, 3 lies in the ones place. So you are writing 3 as 3 into 1. And children, you studied that any non-zero integer with the power 0 is 1. So here we are writing 10 raised to 0. Next, 56,439. So 5 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0. Children, while writing the expanded form, the powers of 10 is coming in the decreasing order while going on the right side. Next, 1,76,428. That means the expanded form is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 5 plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 plus 6 multiplied by 10 cube plus 4 multiplied by 10 square plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 1 plus 8 multiplied by 10 raised to 0. Now we can move to exercise 13.3. The first question, write the following numbers in the expanded form. So the first number is 2,79,404. The expanded form is 2 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 7 multiplied by 10,000. Because 2 is in the lakhs place, so we can write 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000. 9 lies in the thousands place. So 9 multiplied by 1000 and so on. So 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10. This is up to you. Either you can write 0 into 10 or you can omit this one. Directly you can write plus 4 into 1. This expanded form we studied in the previous classes. From second standard onwards we are studying. Here the expanded form means we can write in the exponential form. So the easy method is first digit is 2. So 2 multiplied by 10 raised to. After 2, how many digits are on the right side? Here 5 are there. So we can write 2 into 10 raised to 5. Then plus the second digit is 7 into the decreasing power of 10. After 5 it comes 4. 7 into 10 raised to 4 plus 9 into. After 9 there are 3 digits, so 10 raised to 3 and so on. So we get 4 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to 0. Next number, the same way we can write it as 3 into 10 raised to 6 plus 0. Either you can write or you can omit. 3 into 10 raised to 6 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3, because after 6 there are 3 digits on the right side, plus 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to 0. Third question here given 28,06,196. So we can write it as 2 multiplied by, after 2 there are 6 digits. So 2 into 10 raised to 6 plus 8 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0. The thing is that the last number, the power will be 0. Next question. 1,20,719. So 1 into 10 raised to 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 raised to 3 plus 7 into 10 raised to 2 plus 1 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0. Next question, 20,068. So we can write 2 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to 0. Next, question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded form. Here expanded form is given. We can write the number. For that, first we can find the highest power of 10. Here the highest power of 10 is 4. So the first digit of the number is 8. Next power of 10 is after 4 it comes 3. So the corresponding digit is 6. And next after 3 the power will come 2. So 0 multiplied by 10 raised to 2. So the next digit will become 0. After power 2 it will become power 1. So the number multiplied is here 4. So our next digit in the number is 4. And in the last power is 0. The number multiplied is 5. So the digit, last digit, that is the ones place digit will be 5. So the number formed is 86,045. Next one, 4 into 10 raised to 5 plus 5 into 10 cube plus 3 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 raised to 0. Here the highest power of 10 is 5. So the first digit of the number will be 4. Next power of 10 will come 4. But in the question it is not given power of 10 as 4. So we can write the 0. Then after it is 10 raised to 3. So the next digit will be 5. After 3 the power of 10 will be 2. So the next digit is 3. Then after 2 the power of 10 will be 1. But here in the question it is not given, it is absent. That means the tens place we can put a 0. And in the last power of 10 is 0. So the corresponding digit is multiplied here. The number is 2. So the last digit of the number is 2. So our number is 405302. That means 4,05,302. Next, 3 into 10 raised to 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. So the highest power of 10 is 4. So the corresponding number multiplied is 3. So the first digit of the number is 3. Then the power of 10 is 3. That is absent. That means you can put 0. And next power of 10 is 2. The number multiplied is 7. So the next digit is 7. And power of 10 with the power 1 is absent. That means we can put 0. The tens place we can put 0. And in the ones place the answer digit is 5. So the number formed is 30705. That means 30,705. Next, 9 into 10 raised to 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to 1. So highest power of 10 is 5. So the first digit is 9. Then in the hundreds place you can write 2 and the tens place you can write 3. Remaining all other places you can put 0. So the number obtained is 900,230. That means 9,230,000. So children, you should go through the decreasing powers of 10 and the largest highest power should come. Which number multiplied with the highest power of 10, that will come in the first digit, and in the decreasing powers of 10 in that order the remaining digit will come. Now question number 3. Express the following numbers in the standard form. Next question number 3. Express the following numbers in standard form. So children, after the first digit put a decimal point, then count the number of digit on the right side of the decimal point. Here all are zeros, so you can simply write 5 into. We are putting decimal point after 5. Then on the right side of the decimal point 7 digit are there, so the standard form is 5 into 10 raised to 7. In the second question 7 point, so all are zeros, so we can write 7 into. After putting the decimal on the right side we have 6 digit, so we get 7 into 10 raised to 6. Similarly, here after the first digit 3, you can put the decimal point. Then 1865 are non-zero digit, remaining are zeros. So children, while writing standard form, after putting the decimal point, you have to write the non-zero digits, then write the power of 10. So here 3.1865 multiplied by 10 raised to. For writing the power of 10, after the first digit we are putting decimal. So you can count the number of digit on the right side of the decimal point. That is right side of 3. That is here we are having 9 digit. So the standard form of this given number is 3.1865 into 10 raised to 9. Now in the fourth question, all digits are non-zero digits. So after writing the first digit, put a decimal point, then write all the digits given in the question. Then in 10 to the power, after the first digit we have on the right side 5 digit are there. So the power of 10 is 5. So we get the standard form as 3.90878 into 10 raised to 5. Next question. It is given 39,087.8. So children, as usual, after the first digit, you can write all the non-zero digit in the question. So 3.90878. And here we have to take care while writing the power of 10. If the question given is a decimal number, then putting the decimal first, after the first decimal we are putting the after the first digit we are putting the decimal, then count the number of digit to the second decimal. Here there are 4 digits, so the power of 10 will become 4 only. It's not 10 raised to 5. So the standard form of this number is 3.90878 into 10 raised to 4. Next is also a decimal number. So to write the standard form, after the first digit we can put the decimal point. Then to write the power of 10, you can count the number of digit from the after first digit till the decimal point given in the question. There are 3 digits. So the power of 10 will be 3. So the standard form of 3908.78 is 3.90878 into 10 raised to 3. Next question number 4. Express the numbers appearing in the following statement in the standard form. The distance between earth and moon is given like this. So children, to write the standard form, after the first digit put a decimal point, then write the non-zero digit, then write the power of 10 as after the first digit count the remaining digit to the right side. That will be the power of 10. So here the answer will be 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Unit must be written. Second question, the speed of light in vacuum is given here in meter per second. So the standard form is after the first digit you can put the decimal point. On the right side everything is 0. So you can write it as 3 into. Count the number of digit after the first digit. There are 8 digits. So the answer is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Next, diameter of earth is given here in meter. So the standard form is after the first digit put a decimal point, then write the non-zero digit. So 1.2756 into 10 raised to. After the first digit we put the decimal point, then count the number of digits on the right side. There are 7 digits. So 1.2756 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Next, diameter of the sun is given in meter. So we can write after the first digit put a decimal point. So we get the standard form as 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to 9. Now fourth question E. In a galaxy there are on an average this much stars are there. We can write it in the standard form. So after the first decimal we can put a decimal point. Here after the first digit all are zeros, so we can simply write 1 multiplied by 10 raised to. Count the number of digit after the first digit. There are 11 digit are there. So the standard form is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 11. Next, the universe is estimated to be about this much years old. So we can write the standard form as 1.2 multiplied by, after the first digit count the number of digit on the right side. There are 10 digits. So 1.2 into 10 raised to 10 years old. The distance of Sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be. It is given. So after the first digit all are 0. So after the first digit we can put a decimal point. So all are 0. So no need to write. So we can write 3 into. Now we can write the power of 10. For that you can count the number of digits on the right side of 3. There are 20 digits are there. So the standard form is 3 into 10 raised to 20 meter. Next question H. It is given a large number. It is given that as molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. So the standard form of this is after the first digit put a point, then write the non-zero numbers, then write the power of 10. So we can write 6.023. Remaining are 0, so no need to mention. Then after the first digit, that is 6, we are putting the decimal point. So on the right side you can count the number of digits. There are 22 digits. So the digits. So the standard form is 6.023 multiplied by 10 raised to 22 gram. Next, the earth has this much cubic kilometer of seawater. So the standard form is after the first digit you can put the decimal point, then write the non-zero digits, then write the power of 10. So we have 1.353 multiplied by, after the first digit 1 we have on the right side 9 digit. So the standard form is 1.353 multiplied by 10 raised to 9 kilometer cube. Next, the population of India was about this much in March 2001. So the standard form is 1.027 multiplied by 10 raised to 9. Thank you and have a nice day.